Okay, so let's build another template. So we'll do this with CI/CD pipelines. So let's run this, and while it's working, I'll explain it. So this is Packer building Ollama template in Proxmox. So we'll do run, and it starts to build the template. So why do we want the template? Because we want to automate the LLM, which the AI agent can use in Proxmox. So this is why we're building this. And as you can see, here's the template. It's already starting to do unattended install. So this is basically when we're going to have AI agent that will do all kinds of tasks. That AI agent needs LLM, right? Needs GPU basically to work with. So it's going to use this Ollama template. Now with this template, obviously we can configure it to whatever we want, right? And so that's why we're doing this infrastructure as code. Okay, so while it's working, and we obviously can check the logs, we can also verify that this is using secret variables. So this means that the infrastructure can run on any Proxmox URL, right, or password, or username. So it's basically pure infrastructure as code, right? Because we technically can install a new Proxmox server and just add those secrets, and the pipelines can use it. Okay, so let's check the code. Okay, so those are the pipelines. Okay, so those pipelines can use any Proxmox server. Okay, so that's why we're using this. Okay, so here are the infrastructure as code templates. So first, initially, we have the Debian server local, and then we have the Debian server, and this is for the Ollama VM. Okay, so we're using this Packer to build the template. So again, as you can see, this is using variables, so we don't have to do hard-coded. Okay, and this is usable like with any Proxmox. Just this code will run on a Proxmox with those correct variables. Okay, so this is infrastructure as code. Okay, and it's using this preset. Okay, so this preset can also be modified now. With this Ollama install, we have a few changes here. So the changes are that it have more cores, it have a bit more memory, although it's going to use the RAM of the GPU card. Okay, and we have also the VirtIO GPU, and you need to also update the host with the PCI ID of your RTX. Okay, so it can attach it here. Let me show you here. Okay, so this is the part, the PCI device. This is where the RTX is attached. Okay, so because why? Because the Ollama needs the RTX attached to the VM, so it can install Ollama with the NVIDIA. Okay, so you can obviously change the disk size depending on which models you're going to download. There are probably models that are more than this size, so you'll probably want to change this. And this is the beauty of this template, because this template can be modified. If we need to use a bigger model, for example, we can just build a new template, modify the disk size, and it will work. And the important thing here is that after everything in the shell, the provisioner, after it's doing everything, basically finishing the install and prepping everything for SSH connection, it's installing this Ollama, okay? This is how it works. So simple basic install from the script from Ollama website, right? And this is what will install the Ollama, and then we'll have the template ready. Okay, let's check it here. Oh, it's already finished the Debian install, the unintended install, and now it's waiting for the VM, and the installation and the build of the template is complete. And you can see how long it took. Not so long, just a few minutes, and we have the Debian template and the Ollama installed. So now let's check. Here is the Ollama template. So let's try and use it. Okay, so we call this Ollama VM. And we do full clone. And once this is ready, we can start the... Okay, now it's ready. Just a few moments. And now we can log in. So it's the same username and password. Okay, so now if we test Ollama, right? So let's check first the NVIDIA. Okay, and as you can see, it identifies and it's working with the RTX. Okay, and let's check Ollama version. Okay, and this is the version that is installed, and obviously we can list the models, and currently we don't have any models here. So this is the image, the template that we're going to be used, and this is going to be used with automated pipelines and with AI agents